We are proud to introduce our fully automatic adhesive application system for 2- and 3-component polyurethane adhesives, designed for use in the production cycle of GFK sandwich panels for truck bodies and trailers. This machine can apply adhesive simultaneously to 2 parallel rows of vacuum tables. Depending on the complexity and size of the panels being produced, you can adjust the component ratios to modify both the panel assembly time and the pressing time. How does the 3-component polyurethane adhesive work? The system includes 2 A components, 1 fast curing and 1 slow curing. By adjusting the ratio between them, you can prepare the exact adhesive you need with the desired open time and pressing time. This function allows optimal use of working time. The operator simply inputs the required parameters into the control system, including adhesive consumption per square meter, component ratios, and panel dimensions. The unit is then positioned at point 0 using a laser guide, and automatic adhesive application begins. Once the core layer is laid, the machine can return in the opposite direction, starting from the exact point where the previous cycle ended. After panel assembly, operators place a vacuum membrane over the table surface using special unwinding devices and activate the pressing cycle. This setup makes it possible to work with 4 or more presses practically without interruption.